अस्सलामुअलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज एक कंफर्ट फूड बना लेते हैं, मिक्स्ड दाल। तो इसके लिए मैंने लिया है हाफ़ कप मिक्स दाल। मैंने इसमें मूंग दाल, तुवर दाल, मसूर की दाल, चने की दाल, 4 दाल लिए हैं। आई वॉश्ड इट, soaked for at least 20 minutes. Now add these dals to the pressure pan. Add 1 glass of water, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, half to 3/4 of an onion sliced or chopped, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 green chilli, half a teaspoon of haldi, that is turmeric powder, 1 tomato chopped, and half a teaspoon of salt. Close and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles till soft, but the dal should remain whole. Now after 4 whistles, let's check on the dal. They are nicely done. Now mash a little with the back of a spoon so that you get that thick gravy. Now I've used this to eat with roti. You can have it with rice as well. Now let's do the seasoning. For the seasoning, add 1 tablespoon of ghee to a small pan. When the ghee becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of zeera. When the zeera splutters, add a quarter onion chopped or sliced. Also add curry leaves, a small piece of ginger sliced, 2 cloves of garlic sliced, 2 dry red chilies, and saute till light brown. Switch off the flame. Add quarter teaspoon hing and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well and add to the dal. Cover, let it rest till it's time to serve. You can garnish with coriander leaves. So please try it out. This is a very tasty, yummy dal. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box as well as the method. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching.